Naman talaga nilang special itong araw nito para nandito kayo. Salamat sa pagpunta ninyo. Nandito syempre yung Zantua family all the way from Malalag City. So nandito sila. Meron din mga kami panlaban. From Manila, yan ito yung pamilya ng kapatid ko. Allen Tarsier family. Nandito, Dadao family. And family request, thank you. Sa akin, napaka-importante na si Gabi nakapag-celebrate ng first year birthday niya. Bakit? If you will notice sa mga Facebook posts ko regarding sa mga picture ni Gabi, lagi kong sinasabi, God's gift. Meron kasing meaning sa family namin yun. It was around May or June last year, wala si Patrick. He was on a mid-year conference. Kasali sana ako sa bata eh. Mid-year conference, wala si Patrick. Ako naman, mag-midnight ng gabi, mahiga-higa ako sa kwarto. May nagsisigawan sa sala. Sabi ko, agad ako mag-celebrate ito, magmamadaling araw, nangugulo ng kapitbahay. Yung pala, nag-hysterical na yung asawa ko, tsaka yung aking anak na si Catherine. Hysterical, naka-video conference with China. Sumisigaw sila na si Gabi, hindi na humihinga. Sabi humihingi ko ang paghinga. So ako naman, sabi ko, kalma lang kayo kasi magdasal kayo. Wala tayong magagawa, will of God kung hindi na ibabalik si Gabi. So nakiusap si China, puntahan ko. Dahil wala kasama sa bahay. So, ano naman, pinipid ko yung nurse ko eh. Pwede pa. So, yung travel ng 40 minutes, papunta ka na China, kinuha ko ng 10 minutes. Nurse. Fortunately, pagdating ko, malabas sa China. Hindi mo nag-cover sa kanya.
Atik-atik ko.
In a sound of a cat.
Meow 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 meow
Ay, napapakapo natin ang isang winner. And for our next winner, in a song of a bird. Palakpakan po natin, guys.
Tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet.
Palakpakan po natin in a song of a bird. Eto na, palala na palala. Sir, ayun na po bahala kung dito ng gansiran mo ngayon, okay? Sir, don't worry, sir. Okay, tayo lang naman. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for the song of a bird. Napapakapo po natin. At least kahit tulog yung giraffe niya, di ba? Alright, and for our next winner. Okay, mami, ano yung napili kanina? Alright, eto na. Alright, napapakapo po natin in the song of the fish. Alright, palakpakan po natin si Mami.
quack, quack, quack. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack.
Alright, palakpakan po natin. And first of all, ladies and gentlemen, ang pinakahihintay na lahat. Kaya ang tuloy ng Lisa ngayon. Tita, kayo na po mahala dyan, tita. Hey, palakpakan po natin.
Hả? Hả? Chú chắc gì nói mẫu không phải gọi vô.
Excuse me, fake na lang eh. Magsalot sa heart.
Everyone sing, come on everyone. And louder. One more thing, Pastor, and sing it louder, everyone. Come on and sing. Happy birthday to you. Everyone sing it one. May the Lord God, come on. May the Lord
God bless you. May the Lord God bless you. May the
Alright, there you go. So once again, happy birthday again to our birthday celebrator, Gabriel Leon. And of course, Mommy Cristela Patrick is the most important part and one of the highlights, of course, in our program. So right now, Mommy and Daddy, what is your birthday wish first for your son?
That he will grow up to be kind and loving. Kay Dogman.
Okay, how about you, sir?
Same.
Same. Or abangan na lang po lang natin sa Facebook, okay? Alright, once again guys, palakpakan po natin the proud parents of our birthday celebrator. Once again, Mommy Crystal and Daddy Patrick. And first right now, ladies and gentlemen, everybody count again, 3 down to 1, and then shout again our magic word. Happy birthday, Gavin Leon. And that's the time that we'll blow our first birthday candle and happy birthday celebrator. Okay, so get ready. Everybody count at 3, 2, 1, and shout, Happy birthday, Gavin Leon! Blow your first birthday candle. Alright, just now, ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for our birthday celebrator, Gavin Leon. And he's now officially 1 year old today. Palakpakan po natin. Happy birthday, Gavin Leon.
Ay, dito.
Wow, and he got 21 kills! Woohoo! High five! Alright, and how about our next player? Okay, so Kuya, what's your name? And how old are you? 7 years old, and who's with you here today? Mommy, say hi, Mommy! Alright, so how about Kuya? You are? What do you want to be when you grow up? You want to be a?
Police.
Police! Wow, everyone copy hands, our future police! Mami, bata pa naman eh. Baka paglaki iba-iba yung gusto niya. Okay, so right now, are you ready, Kuya? You shout, Happy birthday, Gavin! Ito lang yung sa'yo, okay? Get ready? 1, 2, 3, and go!
Happy birthday, Johnny!
How old are you?
6 years old.
6. And who's with you here today?
Mommy.
Mommy, say hi, Mommy.
Hi, Mommy.
Okay. And how about you, Kuya? What do you want to be when you grow up?
A farmer.
A farmer! Okay lang po yan, Mami. Paglaki niya, maiba rin yan. Don't worry, bata pa naman eh. Okay, so this time po yung shout. Happy birthday, Gabi! And talong kayo sa'yo. Okay, get ready. 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Gabi.
Alright! So everybody tell me, here's my Kuya, and he got 15 pounds! Nice try, birthday, Kuya! High five! Wow, there we go. Okay, so how about our next player? Okay, and ate, what's your name?
Martina.
And how old are you, ate? 6. And who's with you here today?
Mama.
Mama, say hi, Mama!
Hi, Mama.
Where's Mama? Ayun si Mama. Okay, so how about you, ate? What do you want to be when you grow up? You want to be a
Teacher.
teacher. Everybody come here and support our future teacher. Okay? And right now, ate, you shout, Happy birthday, Gavin, and go!
Happy. Daddy.
Okay lang po yan, mama. Hindi ko siya galit kami, ha? It's okay. Everybody come in, yes, also for her. Palapakahan po natin. Nice try, ate. American high five. Wow. Okay, and how about our next player? Okay, so ate, what's your name? Okay, and how old are you?
8.
8 years old, and who's with you here today?
Mommy.
Mommy, say hi, Mommy. Saan si Mommy? Kaway-kaway. Ayun. Okay, so how about you, ate? What do you want to be when you grow up? Wow, everybody call me hands. Say our future nurse. Palapakan po natin. Okay, and are you ready? Inhale. Exhale. Get ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday, Gabi.
Alright, and she got 16 counts. Everybody call me hands for her. Okay, high five, ate. High five. Nice. Wala ka naman, nagtitigil sila eh. Guys, yeah, a round of applause for the double show. Thank you so much, everyone. 1, 2, 3, and smile. Okay, last one, last one. 1, 2, 3, and quick. Okay, last one pa, ate. Last one pa. Last na. 1, 2, 3, and up. Okay. Nakuha na ba? And up. Last one, last one. Last one. 1, 2, 3. Pilihan mo doon. Is it A, B, or C? Kung sa'yo lang. B, kakanta. Pero sorry po. Siya po yung may kapangyarihan ko yung papagawa sa iyo. Sa ate Aliana, anong gusto ipagawa kay ate Nestle?
Ipakanta po.
Ay, kakanta, letter B. So ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin ate Nestle.
Are you guys ready? Ready ba kayo? Ang pangarap ko nagmula sa'yo. Ang ganda ang puso't di makalimutan. Chorus, everyone. Dadalhin kita sa aking palasyo, ha?
Ay, nako. Para po kayong si Regina. O, di ba? Regine Tolentino, hindi Regine Velasquez. Sayo na lang po tayo. Alright, palakpakan po natin once again ate Nestle. Alright, and for our next winner, please step forward. Okay, by the way, okay, ate, ano po pangalan?
Tatim. Tatim.
Tatim. Okay, partner po kayo. Okay, kayo po ang partner. So, anong gusto ipagawa kay ate Tatim? Is it A, B, or C?
All of the above.
B, kakanta. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Ate Tati.
Hello everyone. Can you say mama? Mama. Okay. Hindi ako mapapatalo sa aking pinsan. I'm gonna sing it.
May tanggap ako. Wala, nakalimot yun ko.
Ano na lang? Dubi-dubi-dap-dap, dubi-dubi-dap-dap, dubi-dubi-dap-dap.
Hindi natin abutan. Yun na.
Alright, ano pa kayo ginagawa si Ate Tati? Magpinsan na kayo? Kaya pala naka-joke na kayo. Alright, and for our last na winner, sino po yung talo? Okay, si Sir. Nag-iisang lalaki. Okay, Sir, kaya niya, kaya best also. Hindi kaya din nila eh.
Pam! Dance!
Okay, Sir, kaya mo yan, ano po pangalan?
Ha?
Yung yun. Okay, so, anong gusto ipagawa kay Sir Yung yun?
ABC. 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 ABC.
Kakanta, letter B. Alright. So, ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin, Sir Yung yun.
ABC dapat.
Ay, hindi naman ba yung panahon na ron, so... My... To my miss, my shoulder, my head, my miss, my shoulder.
Sir, parang may mali ah. Sir, naging dito na. Nalimutan ni Sir eh. Alright, so sige guys, palakpakan po natin Sir Yung yun. Okay, and for our last namin. Okay. Exempted po si Mami eh. Kasi baka hindi kami mabayaran.
Okay lang. Okay lang.
Last Mami. Last po si Mami Crystal. Okay lang, sabi ni Daddy. Okay. Alright, so. Okay, Tita, ano po pangalan? Tita, ano po pangalan?
Ay, ako na, you're talking to me. Okay, my name is Apple.
Apple. Sino po ang partner? Okay, ano gusto ipagawa kay Tita Apple?
Spell her name using her phone.
Spell her name. Letter A. Palakpakan po natin, Tita Apple. Tita Apple, kailangan nakatalikod lang po tayo. Kailangan pwede ko pang nakalo dyan, okay? And for our first letter, give it a big letter A. A.
Okay na.
Letter A. Big letter A. Oh. Alright. And for our next letter, small letter B. B. What? I. Next letter, small letter B again. And next letter, small letter L. Wow. And for our last letter, big letter E. Wow. Halo kain mo ng todo. Palapakan po natin, Tita Apple. Eto na. Eto na, our last na winner. Mami Crystal, palapakan po natin, guys. Okay? So, ate, ano gusto pagawa kay Mami Crystal?
ABC.
Ikaw magsaluhan.
Ayaw.
Lahat po.
Sige na,
Kawawa naman si Mami. Okay, kailangan isa na po.
Ikaw na.
Sir. Swap. Swap ka kayo, sir. Oh.
Sige na. Ako naglaro, ikaw ang
Okay, kaya mo lang, sir. Go. Ano gusto ipagawa?
All of the above.
All of the above.
Kawawa. Isa lang. Isa lang.
Letter C na lang.
Letter C, sasayaw si sir. Sir, walang maling steps kapag solo. Freestyle po yan, sir, okay? Kahit anong dance steps lang po. Okay? Emergency. Meron ba tayo niyan? Wala daw eh. Iba na lang ate, iba na lang. Pero parang ganun rin. Alright, so palakpakan po natin! Kali Patrick! Go! Papakyan! Gabby. Alright. Okay, next. Please forward. Say happy birthday, Gabby. Alright, next. Okay. Sa akin lang ba? Happy birthday, Gabby. Okay, next. Next. Di wala. Pasalita na si baby. Ito yung process.
Thank you, tita. Thank you.
Okay, next Leah, come on. Okay, no more. All the girls, nabigyan na mo ba yung advance? Meron pa kayo mga isip bata.
Mami, mami. Mami.
Birthday ka. Ang cute naman ng batang to. No more. Everyone, come on. And also, our little boy right here. Come on. Alright. There you go. Alright, no more. I think we're all set. Wala na ba? Okay, there you go. Edison, kung sa'yo mga Edison, Daddy, Patrick, dito na tayo sa online.
Thank you all for coming. Thank you po sa inyo for the fun, entertainment, and sa super cute na decoration. Thank you so much.
Kapil ako.
Oh, mag-thank you ka lang.
Thank you everyone for coming. Sana enjoy kayo and ayun, next year ulit. Thank you so much.